Hey everybody, Liz Pevytoe here. So excited to share this information with you today. I have a bit of a reputation in a good way because of the amount of customers that I've been able to acquire in a short amount of time with Ibuumerang. I have a lot of people hitting my inbox asking me for tips and tricks and all that. So I thought I would just make a video and just kind of go over. I've made some other videos that are on YouTube. Go look me up on YouTube, Liz Pevytoe. So I've been really transparent throughout my whole journey since I joined Ibuumerang in April, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update because I'm still having really good success enrolling customers. So I want to give you my tips and my tricks, but before I jump into the tips, I just want to explain how awesome this opportunity is, because this is one of the reasons I was so excited about the Ibuumerang opportunity, because it's different. It's different than anything I've ever heard of in the network marketing industry, and I want to kind of just give you the background really quick on that. So customer acquisition with Ibuumerang. So we are a travel technology company. I am not a travel agent. All I do is give away free travel savings websites to my friends and family, and then they use that travel savings website to book their travel, and when they do, I earn a commission. So they would use that website just like they would hotels.com or Trivago or whatever, Expedia. They just use their I Go for Less website. I earn a commission. So the only work I'm doing is asking people if they want a website, and then they save money. So I'm not asking people to pay a monthly fee. I'm not asking people to buy products. I'm just asking them to transfer their travel purchases onto the I Go for Less website, which has a price guarantee, by the way. If they find a better price somewhere else, we match that price 110% of the difference. So, guys, you don't have to team build with Ibuumerang. You can, and you're going to make more money, but you can absolutely just give away free travel savings websites to people, and that's it, like I said, and then you earn a commission. No team building, just customer acquisition. So I really love that model for people who don't want to build a team, for people who don't like to recruit, for people who are not into the MLM thing, but they just want to give away free websites. It's really a cool deal. Travel is an $8 trillion a year business. $8 trillion. And just to give you a little perspective, the health and wellness industry is a $1 trillion industry. And think about right now how many friends you have on your Facebook right now, or your YouTube, or how many friends you have that are involved with a health and wellness network marketing company. Okay? So I just want you to kind of get a little bit of perspective of what the potential is here. $8 trillion spent every single year on travel, and we are offering people a savings on travel. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so give me a thumbs up or a heart if you're ready for me to jump into my tips. Okay, so I've got a few people on here. It's kind of a weird time for me to go live. So if you're watching on YouTube, hello. I am asking for feedback while I'm here live on Facebook. Okay, so let me jump into my tips here. Tip number 1 is belief in the product and excitement about the product. So your energy, your excitement, and your belief are pivotal. So you would not have joined Ibuumerang if you're watching this and you're already a travel saving ambassador. You would not have joined the company if you didn't believe that the product worked, that our service to people works, right? So you want to keep that belief fresh in your mind and fresh in your heart, and you want to stay excited. Okay, so how do you stay excited? This is a good tip, guys. Do not skip over this part. Do you hear me? Don't skip over this part, because your energy and your posture are everything. Okay? Because you don't want to be, hey Charity, you do not want to make people feel like you're begging them for it. We are offering a valuable service to people, and you need to convey that when you're communicating with people. So how do you stay excited? You stay excited by immersing yourself in the culture. So you're watching the flight school trainings every Saturday. that are off the chain exciting. You get to all the local events, and you get to like our grand opening party that's happening in Vegas August 31st. You get there. You watch every Holton Bugs video you can find on YouTube. The guy is brilliant. He is brilliant, and you will get excited listening to him. Number one, he's relatable. He came from poverty. And he went from poverty to the number one income earner in network marketing, and he's our CEO. So we're pretty blessed, we're pretty blessed with that. So stay excited. Number one. Tip number two is say less to more people. Hey, Sarah. So what do I mean by that? I mean, okay, guys, I have enrolled 148 customers to date, okay? You saw, if anybody doesn't believe me, I put a screenshot of my back office in a post I did earlier today. Okay, here's the thing. I guarantee you, I've just talked to more people than you have if you don't have 148 customers. That's the simple truth. I've just said less to more people. So do not verbally vomit on people. Just ask them a simple question. I'm not going to give you a script. I do share scripts and tips with my team members, but I'm not going to do that today because scripts aren't super important. It's just important that you say something. You'll figure out your script, the right script that works for you. But you're going to say something to the effect of, hey, Pamela. So you're going to say something to the effect of, hey, I know you love to travel. I partnered with a travel technology company, and we give away free travel savings websites. Would you be interested in having one of these websites? They're free to try, free to keep, no catches, no membership fees, no nothing. You just, and I explained what I did earlier in the video. You just use it just like you would any of the other travel booking engines, only you're going to see a discounted price. You're going to see like 5-star resorts for 3-star prices. So usually you're going to see somewhere between 10, 20, sometimes 35, even more % off of the prices. So would you like for me to send you a code? This is what you would say in person. Would you like for me to send you a code so you can activate your site today? And most of the time people are going to say nothing. I said it. Most people are not going to respond to you. Unless you're talking to them face to face. They're not just going to like stare at you and not say anything. If you're talking to somebody face to face, they will usually respond yes or no. Okay. And if they say no, I usually say, okay, so just want to make sure you understand you don't have to book anything and there's no fees involved. And it's just your site. So a lot of times they'll be like, oh, well, that's been my biggest challenge is people thinking there's a catch. So but on Facebook, especially on text, private message, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Most people are not going to respond to you. I don't know why, but they just don't. So just like the thing says, I've probably been rejected way more than anybody watching this video. So I have reached out to date to almost 2,000 people. And before you freak out, that's really not a lot of people. It's really not. So I have over 4,000 friends on Facebook, and I have over 1,000 followers on Facebook. So that's 5,000 people. So I have not even reached out to half of the people on my Facebook timeline. Okay? That doesn't include my Facebook page. I haven't even started on my LinkedIn people. I've got thousands of people on there. I've got thousands of people on my Instagram. I haven't started there. So guys, you have potential to contact a lot of people. So am I messaging everybody that I know? Yes, I sure am, because I'm offering an amazing product to people. I'm offering discounted savings. Okay? Discounted travel is what I'm offering. So that's pretty fun. Okay? So I want to make a little rabbit trail side note right here, because people say, well, I'm posting on Facebook and I'm not getting any responses. Okay. I want you to realize that only 10% of the people on your friends list are seeing your posts. Unless you have a post that's getting a lot of engagement and people are sharing, Facebook will bump those up. Okay. So lives are going to get a little more than 10%. And posts that become very engaging, but just an informational post. Okay, so let me throw this out there. If you put a post up that says, contact me if you want to save on travel, guys, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Okay, so you have to add value or solve a problem with your posts on Facebook. So that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day, but go stalk my timeline. Go stalk me. Go watch the kind of posts that I make. See how I engage with people. Look at the posts that are getting comments. Don't copy me exactly, but use my ideas and come up with your own posts, okay? Sharing my posts onto your timeline is a big no-no, okay? And let me tell you why it's a no-no. I love it when you do that, because guess what? The chances are people are going to contact me, not you, okay? So post your own stuff. Oh, Sylvia, you're so sweet. Okay, so again, if you're posting on Facebook, remember only 10% are going to see it. So that's why you're going to have to get into your private message, your messenger, and start messaging people. Okay, and the script, like I said, is not as important. You just want to make sure they understand what you're offering them. And I have found that creating a group boom code, like I have up in the description up ahead, that allows people, or on YouTube, it's going to be down below in the description, that allows people to enroll immediately works better than saying, contact me or comment down below and I'll send you a code. Again, because the biggest hurdle with our business guys, with Ibuumerang TSAs, giving away boomerangs, the biggest hurdle is that people don't believe that it's truly free. So when you give out that group boom code like I have up ahead, they know, okay, it really is free because I can go get it right this minute. Okay, so that's just a little side tip to consider doing that. If you don't know how to create a boom code, reach out to your sponsor. If you are on my team, I have videos in our leaders group on how to do that. Okay, and Christy, my girls know how to. Christy and Pamela, y'all know how to do it, right? We know how to do this because I train my people. Yes, I want us to be. Let me rabbit trail, Christy. You reminded me. So get this. So with our company, because of this amazing customer acquisition model, there are going to be people that rank to the higher ranks and make six-figure incomes and never recruit one person. Never recruit one business builder. They're just going to be people who give away free travel saving sites. So I want my team to be that team that the people are like, where did they come from? They're like, I call it backdoor diamonds. Like, we're going to be like, hey, diamond rising right here because we gave away more customer sites because we focused on giving stuff away. So anyway, that's my plan. Maybe I shouldn't have told my plan on a Facebook Live. I don't know. Anyway, okay. So solve problems. And then my last tip, and this is a very, very important tip, guys. Very important tip. There are a few little quirks to using our I Go For Less website, okay? Like people need to go in and add travelers. They need to know about the price guarantee. They need to know how to find the best deals, how to use the filters, all that kind of stuff, okay? It's a little quirky, a little bit quirky. So I have found adding one extra step helps get my, helps to encourage my customers to actually use the site. And that tip is I made a video that walks them through the steps of using the site. So I just made a quick tutorial. I think it's 13 or 14 minutes long. I go through how to use your site, how to check your profile, all that kind of stuff, okay? So if possible, I recommend that you make a video for your customers. If you don't want to make a video, you don't know how to do a screen share video, you're welcome to use my video and share it with your people. I don't recruit or tell people to contact me. It's actually for somebody who's already a customer. So you're welcome to use my video. It's on my YouTube channel. It just says customer site overview, I believe is what the title of the video is. You're welcome to do that. So I take care of my customers and I get them to use the site by informing them on how to use the site, okay? I've already had, that I know of, I've already had 12 of my customers travel. So exciting stuff. I also have a customer group on Facebook. I put that video on that customer group. I share the weekly tips that Lori does every Tuesday. I share that into the group. I share anything that I find valuable about travel. I share those tips in the group just to keep people engaged, just to take care of my customers. Like, it's not a mandatory step. I just feel like it's good karma to take care of my people. So I don't have to. It's not, like I said, it's not a mandatory step, but I do encourage you to go above and beyond to take care of your customers. It's just the right thing to do, okay? There was something else I want to tell you. Oh, I forgot to tell you this early on in the video. I am so excited. This is probably one of the most feel-good, wonderful pieces of the puzzle about Ibuumerang. Did you know that Sylvia, you're distracting me. You said my hair is beautiful. I just updated my color today to get rid of the gray through. Anyway, okay. So, did you know that every single time a customer activates a Ibuumerang, every time they claim a free travel savings website, that Ibuumerang Corporation, the company, gives a meal to a hungry child through the Boom Foundation every single time. So that comes out of the corporate foundation funds, because when a customer activates a site, it's free. So they don't get any revenue from someone activating, but they're still choosing that every single time. I'm getting choked up here because just think about that. For me, it's 148 kids got meals. So that's pretty stinking awesome, guys. So that should make you want to give out more websites just in itself right there. So cool. I hope these tips helped you. Say less to more people. Make sure you have belief and excitement. And take care of your customers, guys. So in a nutshell, let me just put this up as, there is no secret. I'm not amazing at customer acquisition. The truth is, I'm just talking to more people than you are. So talk to more people. Make more friends. Introduce the opportunity to more people. That's the secret sauce. So I love you guys. I wish you all the best. I want all of us to rock it out in this business. It's an $8 trillion business. There's plenty of money to go around. So I'm more than happy to share my tips with you guys, because I'm not in competition with anybody but me. And that is so that I can talk to more people every day. All right, guys. So love you. Hope this was helpful. Follow me if you're not following me. Contact me if you want more information. Activate your customer code if you haven't already. All right. Sylvia, you're so sweet. You're such a good edifier. All right. Make me feel really great about myself. All right. I love you guys. Bye.